So you have decided to set sail into the profitable world of affiliate marketing. Great for you! If you are just getting started, you may be wondering which types of affiliate marketing programs you could utilize to make some serious money. Perhaps you want to diversify income for a content site that generates revenue through display advertising, or you are looking for ways to monetize your blogging content. Chances are, no matter which industry or niche you happen to set out for, there is an affiliate platform that will fit your needs. If you are still in the process of learning what affiliate marketing actually is, it is best that we start at the beginning. Put into simple terms, affiliate marketing is where you sign up with a company or a network. A network being a company that houses multiple offers from different businesses to sell their products or services. You then typically make a commission every time someone either buys something or executes a desired action. These desired actions could include someone clicking on a link in your blog to purchase a product on Amazon or completing an offer from one of the affiliate networks we will cover in this guide. You are then paid a commission when traffic that you generated to the retailer's offer completes a desired action. This money is generally part of the company or affiliate program's online marketing budget. Some of today's most popular business models for these programs include Amazon Affiliate and AdSense. Before you get carried away with choosing the best affiliate model for you, it's best to know the exact niche you want to steer towards. Knowing what you will specialize in will give you a course to follow when choosing the program that will offer you the most return on investment, ROI, based on your business goals. Before you set out into unknown waters for the first time, it would be wise to see if other affiliate marketers and bloggers have already found potential in the same niche. Research whether other WordPress and starter SEO sites within your niche are promoting affiliate products to gauge market demand. It is usually a good sign if there are other affiliates because you know they would not bother if there wasn't potential to grow revenue. You can also collect their affiliate partner offers into a spreadsheet to use later when you start ranking your own site. So the question arises in mind, what is the best affiliate program for beginner? There are a few factors that you need to take into consideration when choosing the best affiliate program to start with. You need to look into each program's offers, the niches it covers, and the quality of both digital products and the physical products they provide. You need to think about whether these products are something that you are going to want to put time and effort into promoting on your website and social media. Another thing to look for when deciding the best affiliate program for those just getting started is the ease of use. Read reviews on how other affiliates like the program's dashboards, how much support they offer their affiliates, and what software as a service (SaaS) tools they provide for those who might not have a background in tech or web development. If you are not familiar with building a WordPress website, email marketing, how to build lead pages, or even how to use plugins, you may want to find a solution that can handle this for you. Only consider programs that make joining their network beneficial to both them and you. If you see affiliates complaining about the lack of real-time support or how difficult it was to join from the start, you may want to consider another program. The affiliate marketing program you decide on should also have a clearly written, detailed payout structure for its affiliates. If you see reviews about affiliate commissions not getting paid on time, payouts not being processed, issues with PayPal payments, or anything related to this, you will likely have better luck going with a network that actually pays you for your hard work. How many merchants an affiliate network or program currently has should also be a consideration when deciding on the best fit. If there are hardly any successful affiliates promoting and selling the offer, it may be best to look for something that is at least generating revenue for others. After all, why would you spend time and money promoting something when it clearly has limited revenue potential? Now that you have a better understanding of what to look for based on your personal and business goals, we should cover the differences between the different affiliate business models. Here are the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners. 1. Amazon Associates. While you may be just getting started, chances are you have heard of the Amazon Associates program if you've done any research on affiliate programs for beginners. The Amazon Affiliate Program is a flagship when it comes to making money through this monetization method. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of tutorials and courses on how you can utilize this network to make a comfortable living. Based on its popularity, it's no surprise that the program made it to the top of our list. However, there are some things you need to consider with this program. Amazon is an e-commerce store not an affiliate network. Most of the other programs on this list are affiliate networks where the network is simply managing the relationship between you and the actual company with the affiliate offer. Setting the popularity of this program aside, you may be wondering about the benefits of utilizing this affiliate program in your business. 2. CJ, Commission Junction. Commission Junction is a huge affiliate network that works with companies and promotes products all over the globe. With over 20 years of experience in doing business within the affiliate space, it has a record of being a great option for those first setting out. This affiliate program is really great if you are just starting out, as it has been around for some time and provides a stable foundation to start on. With tons of brands and companies to connect with and start marketing products within your niche, you definitely need to consider this network if it fits your business goals. The CJ user interface has a mixed bag of reviews, with some saying it is very user-friendly and others claiming it to be difficult to adjust to. Here are some of the most common downsides to going with this network when first starting out as a beginner. Free impact. Leading the way in dashboard functionality and user interface, UI, Impact is another great affiliate program to consider when first setting out in affiliate marketing. With an intuitive interface that offers detailed performance tracking and reporting, this program is great for those wanting more performance metrics to help gear business decisions. With over 1,000 brands found in a large array of niches, this affiliate program will definitely have something that suits your desired market. Known for offering one of the best UI and reporting dashboards, it is no wonder why so many affiliates speak very highly of this program. Impact's customer service is also known to be great for both beginners and seasoned affiliates because of the support it provides to each and every person within its program. Useful information and detailed how-to articles accompany your support requests, making you feel like the program actually cares about your success. Other factors that make Impact stand out from the crowd include the fact that many brands will accept you into their program in little time. This may be due in part to the fact that this program is a bit more difficult to get into at first, so let's go over some of the anchors that might weigh you down within this program. I hope you like this video. If you really, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.